Hello and welcome to this lesson of fraction addition and subtraction. By the time you finish this video, you should be able to recognize when fractions or mixed numbers need to be rewritten with a common denominator before addition or subtraction. Understand the step-by-step process for adding and subtracting fractions, including converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and simplifying the final answer. Lastly, apply the correct method to add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers, giving answers in simplified form or as mixed numbers where appropriate. Let's get started. How do we add and subtract fractions? Adding and subtracting fractions follow the same steps. The denominators must always be the same before you can find the final answer. Here is the step-by-step process. First, we must find a common denominator. Let's look at an example. 2/5 plus 1/2. You can see that the denominators are different. Because the denominators do not match, we need to find a common denominator before moving on to the next step. The common multiple of 5 and 2 is 10. That will be our denominator. For our next step, we are going to multiply the two fractions. In this case, we will use cross multiplication. So we will multiply the first numerator by the denominator of the second fraction and vice versa. After doing the cross multiplication, we will rewrite it. Now for our last step, we need to simplify it. So we now have 4/10 plus 5/10. We will add the numerators. You can see that the denominators are the same, so we keep the denominator as it is and add the numerators. After doing that, we obtain our final answer, which is 9/10. Now, let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. So for the first one, we have here 1/2 plus 2/7. Follow the steps to obtain the final answer. First, we will find the common denominator of 2 and 7. By finding the lowest common multiple of these two, we get the common denominator, which is 14. After that, we will multiply. We will use the cross multiplication method for this one. So 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. We now have 7 over 14 plus 4 over 14. After that, we will simplify it by adding the numerators. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Then we copy the denominator, which gives us 11 over 14. Let's try another question. You can pause the video and try yourself. For our next given equation, we have here 2 and 2/3 minus 1/6. Follow these same exact steps. So first, we need to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. After that, we add 6 to the numerator to get 8. Next, we copy the denominator. We get 8/3. Next, we will find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6 to get the common denominator. Then we will go back to 8/3. We will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and we will get 16/6. Now that they both have the same denominator, we will simplify it. So 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Then we copy the denominator. So our final answer is 15/6. Remember, if the denominators are the same, work with the numerators. If the denominators are different, make them the same first. Then add or subtract and simplify.